So what's up guys? I'll be making a chart breakdown on gold. Okay, first thing I want you to notice right now is this. Okay, what do you see? What do you see right now? We are on an uptrend. Where? We are on an uptrend. This was our previous high, this was our low, and this was our new high, meaning our indication. This was a new indication. And when price creates indication, what does it do? It starts retracing back down, right? Before it start going back up again. Okay, this is what price normally do. Okay, but this trade is one of those trades that we are catching the retracements back down. This is one of those trades we are catching the retracement back down. Because it's totally okay to catch retracement as long as you are trading on session and you are following proper market structure. You understand me? So let's carry on. Now, I'm about to break down the trade that happened yesterday, which was right here. Okay, I'm about to break down the trade that happened yesterday, which was right around this level. Okay, pay attention to my cursor. This happened right around this level. Give me a minute. Cursor and make it thick. Like this. Okay, yeah, as you can see. Is this okay? Yeah, I think it's cool. So if you pay very close attention, remember when price gives an indication, right? Remember when price gives a big ass indication like this, right? It's normally going to start retracing back down, and this was what it did. The moment I saw this, right, I was like, oh, price just gave us a new indication, and I marked this level right here. This was a new indication for me. When price gives indication, right, what it does is, remember, it always retraces back up slowly. Retraces back up, right, before it then now sell. This is the law, and you have to understand this. We trade only a session, right? Because remember, back below this level, right? Back below this level right now, there are sellers waiting to push the market back down, right? If you had sold right around this level, okay, out of session, you would have been fucked, and you would have been destroyed completely, because this was after session, right? But if you had waited patiently for session, you would have caught this beautiful move right here. So what I noticed was, let's go to lower time frame, right? The 15-minute time frame. Remember what I always say, right? Remember what I always say. You need to follow who is in control. Right now, this was a high. Okay, this was a new high. This was a high that was maintained. This was a high that was maintained, and this was a high that is about to be maintained as well. Okay, and now let's follow market structure. Okay, as you can see, we had a low here that was maintained. We had a low that was maintained right here. We had a low that was maintained right here. I remember we are only going to say when we finally see buyers, sellers stepping into the market. By that meaning lows are going to be breaking. Okay, this was a low right here. Okay, and the final low was right around this level before price literally broke back down. And the moment I saw price broke this low, I was like, oh, sellers are now in the market. And you have to understand this: session and market structure needs to be in alignment. Okay, session and market structure to be in alignment. So as you see, right, the moment this law got broken, right, and you pay attention to this, you need to pay attention to what market is doing, right? If you look back above this level, you notice price refusing to go higher, and then it came back and broke this low. This was the show. Oh, sellers were in the market. Okay, sellers were fully in the market. Right? If this was on session, I would have sold right around this level. I would have sold from here. My stop loss right above this level. Right? I would have sold from this level. If this was on session, okay, but it wasn't on session. So when price finally broke back down, creating this, I was like, oh shit. What I knew I needed to do was to wait for price to slowly give me a correction before I sell back down, and that was exactly what price did. Okay, let's go on a 20-minute time frame. Let's go into 3 minutes time frame. ICC is very easy. is extremely very easy. But sometimes it takes a lot of time for your brain to like get the market, and it's totally okay because everyone learns in different paces. So the price gave us this new indication, right? This trend is slow. Oh shit. Okay, my price gave us a new. I'm sorry, my network is bad. So the price. I'm coming. I'm sorry for the words I've been using, okay? So, as you can see, this was a low, this was a low, this was a low, right? And this was a low. When price finally broke this low, this was a show, okay, sellers were fully in the market. And what I did was wait for the correction before I sell back down, right? And price gave us that. It gave us a correction. And in session, as you can see, back below this level, okay, would have been a good place to sell the market. But I was slowly waiting, okay? The price broke back up, okay? I was watching it. And the moment I saw price came right around this level, and I think there was a news 130. There was a news. There's always news 130. You get me? I just put my sell stop, my sell limit or sell stop, my sell order right around that level with my entry back above this high, right? And I saw the market down straight. It was see. Let me tell you something. This is not luck. You have to understand this. It's what we call timing and structure. Timing and structure. This, if you can have these two, right? If you can have these two things together, you are going to make millions of. I'm telling you, there's so much money you can make if you can have both of this. Okay, timing and structure, very important. Okay, they are extremely very important. Okay, this is not fucking. This is not luck. Okay, my first low was right around this level, right? Because this was a low, and my second was our final TP, which was right around there. Back, which was right around here. The 1 to 5 is still what they show. But I closed right around this level, yeah. Because when the price came back down, I noticed it refusing to break this low, and then it came back and broke this high. The moment I started seeing all this, I was like, oh shit, the market is about to start the market is about to like start retracing back up. And you remember I always say this, man, on session price normally go crazy, and if it's not going crazy, people that are controlling the market are not there. So what's the point of we retail traders being in the market? So yeah, this was a trade breakdown, and hopefully you understand it. You should understand it, because if you don't, then I make videos almost every day, so go watch a couple of my old videos, and I bet you are going to understand the video fully. Thank you, and have a good day. Okay, bye.